Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Ram 1500 Longhorn in ivory white with 10th Anniversary Limited Longhorn Edition, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, heated steering wheel, 48,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen displays, navigation, panoramic sunroof, 4-corner air suspension, RAMBOX CARGO Management System, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7798.